All right, motorcycle fans, are you ready for the all-new Yamaha TW200 for the year 2024? This is the 2024 Yamaha TW200, and the differences between this and the 1987 model are nothing. But there's nothing wrong with that. It's a fat tire in the back. It's a 196cc motor with a carburetor and a choke. Yes, it's so retro, it doesn't even have fuel injection. Got a fat tire on the front as well, a nice low seat height. Place on the back where you can bolt a rack on, a 1.8 gallon gas tank. And look, this is so retro. If you love retro 80s, that's the most retro gauge set you'll ever see. And yet it has 0 miles on it. It's brand new. So sometimes you create something perfect and you just keep making it. Other than that evap can, I don't think they had that in 1987, but they might have. So if you're a big fan of 1980s retro nostalgia, look at that drum brake. Try to find a drum brake on another new motorcycle. I dare you. So a carburetor, a drum brake, fat tires, boxy 1980s fairing on the front, retro. So if you're a fan of the 80s, man, you're just like Rambo and Chuck Norris riding this thing. Take a trip back in time with it. So it's just a utilitarian workhorse. Even the big square 80s headlights and turn signals that you can see from 10 miles away, this thing revs your heart or it doesn't, and don't ever expect it to change. So if you like the TW200, this is it.